Okay, so today I am sitting here and I really needed these. And I have another surgery that I have to put them on. And I just realized that I gave the other four that I had away. And for some reason, I always lose these things. And because I lose them so much, I said, okay, let me find a alternate that I can get a couple of and have some left over just in case I lose them as replacements and use them for the two machines that I'm going to put them on. Now, I was really surprised at this. This was a great deal. I got 12 for like $6.99 and they fit. So this is on a singer and I'm about to thread it later on, but as you can see I'm pulling it, it's staying in place. You just have to push them around really good. Then I have a brother machine. And I did the same thing. It's in place. So if I pulled it off, it'll come off. But either way, I think these are a great alternative if you are looking for a couple of them, or to be able to use on a regular basis. Or heck, if you just need a replacement, I done dropped the link below. Because when you